This is the main reason why he kind of wanted it out of the way for super cheap.
Right.
So he didn't have to do what you're doing right now.
Right, exactly. So this is attempt number 10, and each attempt gets more extreme than the last. So we figure we better probably record it because something's bad. Something's not good. It's gonna not. What is it, Blake?
It's not going to be good, is what you're trying to say.
Yeah. I bet Duddy has a. No, I bet he doesn't.
Some solid sounded advice.
I doubt it. You know why? Probably doesn't work with rusted crap like this.
Probably not. Or anything that's new. What if you put it in 4-paw, Jay?
Put it in 4-wheel? I mean, I thought about that too, but I don't want to bust the transfer case.
What are you trying to... Jesus. What are you trying to accomplish here?
Just trying to shock the relation between the nut and the spindle.
Okay.
So the thought is that there's probably rust in between there, so I'm just trying to hit it, shock that crap.
And you're using a softer...
I'm using a piece of aluminum block, and well, actually a brass hammer, which whatever. Anyway, I'm just doing that. So now, what the hell, I'll just do this once, just to show you that nothing's happening. Is that what you want to see? Oh no. Okay. We can try this once. This is a 1/11/16 socket. This is 3/4 drive. Anyway, in order to get that to work, all my stuff's 1/2 inch. So, oh no, I can't get this plate. So I need a 1/2 to 3/4 adapter. Then I can throw it on one of these, air impact. And I don't know how good this is compared to my Milwaukee, but I think the Milwaukee is a little tougher than that DeWalt 1/2 inch drive. But anyway.
Did you put the Croyle oil on it?
Yeah, I put PV Blaster on it and Croyle, but they don't seem to be having that much of an effect. So then I've got a 3/4 to 1/2 inch to 3/8
Jesus.
drive adapter, which is silly as hell, but and this has got 3 segments of battery on it.
Power.
Nothing.
Seems like nothing happened.
Nothing's happening at all. So anyway, I threw a 1/2 inch breaker bar at it.
Right.
Where's it at?
Then it dropped right out of place.
No, it didn't do anything.
Oh.
It actually started to bend this breaker bar. Started to bend it. There was the fear of this pin coming apart. Ooh, I don't know. I don't like the sound of that. So then, I put this crowbar on that thing there to give me this much leverage with that, and I started to actually bending this. Wait, you can see there's kind of a bend here. Anyway, that should never really happen. That shouldn't happen. Then I have this in here with some leverage, and I got a bend right here. I had a 3/8 drive socket extension in here, and I actually bent a 90 in that. So now we're to this. I'm going to take this channel lock. So this is like really hard tool steel. I'm going to stick it in this U-joint here area, and that'll lock that into place. What? Oh, jeez. So that should lock that into place, right, Blake? That's the theory.
Just locks it right into place.
I'm going to stick this.
Is that a new shock?
Yeah, those are new shocks.
Huh.
So, I mean, I'm getting stuff done, dude. Right? Put this socket here. I'm going to put this is a 3/4 inch breaker bar. There's not a lot of leverage here, but I'm going to stick this here like this. Okay. Oh. Get up in there. Okay, and I'm going to put this here like this. So that'll kind of support, the jack will kind of support this from, you know how shit works, right? So then, oh no, oh my god, we've got this 10-foot stick of 2x2. We're going to stick that in it. Oh, and I've been using heat on it too. Heat on it, assorted impacts. This 4-foot cheater bar, blah blah blah. So it's come to this point here where we thought maybe we better just record it, right? Because this is going to get this is not going to be. You know, actually, Blake, I'm thinking if this fits into here, and it don't. Go ahead and stick this up here like this. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna stand way back here like this. How's that working?
Oh, geez.
What broke?
I don't know yet. I think the tool hardened steel broke.
It did it? No. It just kind of
Moved?
repositioned itself, right?
Oh, did it? Okay. Yeah, it really repositioned itself. Yep.
Okay, so now I got to reposition this here.
It just.
Well, that's really kind of stuck in there.
It repositioned itself in there really well.
Right. There we go. There we go, baby. It's kind of stuck in there pretty good, which is not good, but I kind of like it, so. All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, my jack. I need my jack in place. Here you go. Perfect. Yep.
It's not on there square. Hold on. Take some weight off. Okay.
What's turning? Anything?
Everything?
What do you mean everything?
Everything's moving.
Just the nut?
Everything's moving. The drive, everything.
Is it twisting that channel locks up?
Yeah.
I thought that'd be like tool hardened steel. That's kind of bullshit. Did it just twist it into a pretzel or what? It did, didn't it? It just had a hard feel to it. What in the hell?
Well, what if you reposition? and I stood over on this side and fought against you.
Oh, no. What with that?
Like this.
Yeah, I've been bending that though too.
Yeah, but I'm helping your sweet tool steel. That just stops everything.
Oh, now maybe. Will this even come out now? That thing's wedged in there pretty tight. Wait. Or not. Yeah. I didn't really bend that much, did it? If it kind of bent here, you think?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it feels better that way. Did I improve it, maybe? Don't you think?
I think you improved it.
I don't think it bent.
It bent.
Did it bend this way?
It bent.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so if this bend were out, it would be down here then. Is that what
Yeah.
you're saying? Is that how you would like that? This feels better like this, though.
Improvement.
But feel that once. That feels like some real hard steel, don't you think?
Compared, yeah, this steel almost feels more like Play-Doh, like clay.
You know what I'm saying, all right?
Kind of, you can feel it's porous versus that steel just. I imagine this is something that, you know, a Terminator would be made out of.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Right. So I need. What do I need? This won't fit in there. This could fit here though. But I bent this though too. I mean. Yeah, that'll be better, right? Even better.
Yeah.
All right. You like that? Wait.
It's quite the throw now.
Yeah, I know it's too much, isn't it?
Too much throat.
There we go. That's perfect. All right. You ready?
Yeah, in the name of science, I am.
Okay.
It's just.
Was that the nut?
I don't know. I think so.
Oh,
It is.
there we go.
You got it.
Damn right.
That crowbar bent so much.
Did you see that?
It looked like a fishing pole. That's why when it snapped, that snap noise, you'll see in the footage. You got
Right.
a little scared.
So all the YouTube videos out there that I see, the guys doing this. Okay, on this end of the spectrum is a guy getting rid of the cotter pin. Okay, and then he just sits there with his fingers and backs it out. I mean, what the hell? And then one guy takes a hammer and a punch or a chisel, and then he hits on a little bit, and then that loosens it up and it comes apart. You know, the torque spec on this, I believe, is like 170 foot-pounds. So I don't get that. But then some guys just use a breaker bar, you know, like a half-inch breaker bar, and that usually gets it out. Some guys use a breaker bar with pipe extension on it, and that gets it out. And that's kind of where I stopped or ended. So in this case, it actually required the leverage of a 2-foot stick of 1/8-inch wall, 2x2 square tubing.
2 foot.
10 foot. That's what I said, 10 foot. Right?
What the hell, man?
Whatever. Ooh, see,
Look how easy.
Oh, wait.
Here, I'll hold it. It's that easy.
Oh, yep, see? This is how their videos look. Whatever. But anyway, this stupid nut here, I imagine that's grade 8. That's what Mitch was saying. This is case hardened. This input or the shaft is. These are like $35. So anyway, this is good to use again. So actually, I was kind of concerned that the threads would be interlocked, and they kind of were anyway. But they kind of came apart decent. So
Right.
so anyway, that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. And that's where I'm going to leave it for now. I'm going to go to the dog park. All right.
All right.
So if you've enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell. Good, bad, or ugly, leave us a comment. All right?
Mm-hmm.
Except Duddy, don't leave us a comment. All right? Or he can, I guess. Whatever. He always does.